Bed. The bed in the hotel wasn't very comfortable. Pillow. If I have a good pillow, I can sleep anywhere. Sheet. Remind me to change the sheets at the weekend. Blanket. Do you need an extra blanket tonight? It's cold. Electric blanket. During the winter, we sometimes sleep with an electric blanket. Bed linen. Please put the bed linen in the washing machine when you leave. Hot water bottle. Is the hot water bottle cold already? I'll refill it now. Mattress. I can't sleep on this mattress. It's too hard. Bedside table or nightstand. She usually keeps a book and a bottle of water on the bedside table. Bedside lamp. Without my bedside lamp, I wouldn't be able to read in the evenings. Alarm clock. She needs an alarm clock to wake her up for work each morning. Bunk bed. When we were children, my brother and I slept in a bunk bed. Armchair. As soon as I sit on that armchair, I fall asleep. Beanbag. I don't think beanbags are comfortable at all, but my children love them. Rocking chair. He was sitting quietly in the rocking chair, reading a book. Wardrobe. I looked in my wardrobe, but I couldn't find anything I wanted to wear. Coat hanger or clothes hanger. Let's bring some coat hangers with us, in case they haven't got any in the hotel. Mirror. They say it's 7 years of bad luck if you break a mirror, but I don't believe it. Chest of drawers or dresser. My socks and underwear are in the chest of drawers. Shoe rack. It would be easier to keep your room tidy if you bought a shoe rack. Clothes rail or clothes rack. He has a clothes rail in his room instead of a wardrobe. Coat stand or coat rack. Feel free to hang your jacket on the coat stand by the door. Hook. He usually hangs his coat on a hook in the hallway. Laundry basket. Put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Slippers. Put on some slippers if you're feeling cold. Desk. I work best when I'm at my desk. Chair. She was sitting in a chair in the corner of the room. Notice board or bulletin board. We pinned our to-do list onto the notice board. Calendar. Let's check the calendar before we book anything. Computer. I installed a new program on my computer today. Monitor. A 22-inch monitor is big enough for most people. Phone. Put your phone on silent before the film starts. Charger. Could I borrow your phone charger? I'm nearly out of battery. Plug. Different countries use different plugs, so maybe you'll need an adapter. Socket. I want to plug in my charger, but I can't find the socket. Radio. I used to listen to the radio on my way to school. Speaker. Are you sure the speaker's connected? I can't hear anything. Bookcase. I've already read most of the novels in the bookcase. Shelf. We should put a shelf up to save space. Poster. There was a poster for the latest Hollywood blockbuster on the wall. Picture. That's an interesting picture on the wall. Where did you get it? Frame. Why don't we buy a frame for that picture? Photo. He keeps a photo of his children on his desk at the office. Plant. A nice plant would give this room some life and some color. Cactus. I water the cactus once every 2 weeks. Vase. We should put some flowers in that vase. Candles. Those candles smell lovely. Where did you get them? Box of tissues. It's a very sad film. You might need a whole box of tissues. Safe. Can you remember the code for the safe? Storage boxes. We bought some storage boxes to keep under the bed. Teddy bear. My old teddy bear. Where did you find it? Cuddly toy or plush toy. The children's room is full of cuddly toys. Cot or crib. The baby was fast asleep in her cot. Baby monitor. We have a baby monitor in the nursery so we can see if something's wrong. Dressing table or vanity. She was sitting at the dressing table, brushing her hair. Jewelry box. Don't forget to put the necklace back in the jewelry box. Makeup. She usually does her makeup in the morning, before work. Hairdryer. If I don't use the hairdryer, I'll have wet hair all morning. Door. I opened the door, but there was nobody there. Door handle. She turned the handle and went into the room. Window. From the window, you can see the fields behind our house. Curtains. He closed the window and drew the curtains. Blinds. Can you lower the blinds, please? It's too bright in here. Furniture. They bought most of their furniture from IKEA. Wall. We repainted the walls on the day we moved in. Wallpaper. That wallpaper is so old-fashioned. I think we should replace it. Ceiling. Look, there's a crack in the ceiling. Light. Switch off the light, please. Light switch. It's so dark, I can't find the light switch. Light bulb. Can you change the light bulb in the kitchen, please? It's too dim. Floor. There wasn't any space on the sofa, so they sat on the floor. Carpet. Be careful not to spill your tea on the new carpet. Rug. A colourful rug would make this room much prettier. Bin or trash can. Throw it in the bin if you don't want it. Air conditioning. In some countries, it's hard to live without air conditioning. Fan. We'll turn the fan on if it gets too hot. Heater. Let's turn the heater on for a couple of hours before we go to bed. Radiator. Put your clothes on the radiator so they dry faster.